I saw some cool things on grammatical evolution, but I didn't decide to continue with it. These trigger entries, liquidation look back, minutes, shortened to 1 to 2. Okay. To force a trade quickly, lower the liquidation threshold. Okay, let's do that. Actually, that's easy. Liquidation look back amount is 10. It's okay. We already got that. Adjust market analysis bias. So this should eventually try to put an order in. Red, market right, short the market, it says. Imbalance, okay. So it's getting liquidations. Fetching order book, okay. Setting leverage. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So we did try to put an order in. And it was on BTC USDT. So great. So let's go ahead here and say, looks like we got a little bit of an error. It did try to trigger an order here, but we got this error. Thank you. Please fix it. Thanks. And I'm very interested in this valuation now that the price is skyrocketing. I want to see if it's a good price or not. Got it. Thanks for the certified polls. I rebuilt the comp using your 24-hour volume and OI for both venues and Fresh's FDV market cap from token trackers. Download the updated chart. You'll see 3 tables rendered. Okay, snapshot FDV, key multiples, current versus fair FDV scenarios. Sources used today: Hyperliquid protocol page, Aster protocol page. The numbers you gave me used as the ground truth for flow and OI. Aster OI is 263 M. 24-hour volume is 1.07. Is that true though? Is that what it really said? Is that what I said, dude? Feel like that's a little high. Feel like that's a little high. 13 billion? No, it's not. You're high. You're high. Valuation for hyperliquid numbers only. So hyperliquid FDV is at 58 B for FDV. Market cap is 15.7. Aster FDV is 4.47. Market cap 0.92. Operating multiples here today using your flow and OI. 24-hour vol FDV is 0.23 versus Astro 0.24. OI FDV HL 0.259 versus Aster 0.059. What Aster's FDV would be at HL parity? 24-hour volume parity would be 4.53 B. Aster already trades at around HL's 24-hour volume. Flow multiple. 30-day volume parity. 2.69 B. Aster's 30-day throughput is lighter relative to its FDV than HL's. HL 30-day is 335 B versus Aster's 15 B. OI parity 1 B is negative 77% versus current. To justify today's FDV on HL's OI multiple, Aster's OI would need to be 1.16 B. Equivalent required activity at Aster's current FDV, 24-hour volume would need to be 1 B. Aster is 1.1% over this. 30-day volume, 26 B, 1.66 current. Gap to close. OI needed is 1.16. 4.37. On flash flow 24 hours, Aster looks fairly priced to HL right now, in line, on sustained throughput, 30-day, and especially liquidity sickness OI. Aster screams